Samantala, iginit naman ng Malacanang na ang matatapang na pahayag ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ay nagsisilbi umanong hamon sa bawat Pilipino na mas maging makabayan. Inihayag ito ng palasyo sa harap ng pagtawag sa Pangulo ng isang French newspaper na serial killer. Kaugnay ito sa kampanya ng kanyang administrasyon kontra illegal na droga. Samantala, kinilala rin ng Pangulo ang mga rekomendasyon sa kanya para sa pambansang kaayusan. Nagbabalik ang aming kasamang si Rocky Ignacio.
Nanindigan ng Malacanang sa kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng independent foreign policy ng Pilipinas. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Ernesto Abella, dapat ituring ang mga matatapang na pahayag ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa harap ng international community sa kampanya kontra illegal na droga na hamon sa pagiging makabayan ng bawat isang Pilipino.
I suppose what he's really doing is he's really challenging our sense of patriotism. Is challenging us to become more nationalistic, to be proud of who we are, and not to go back and fall back on these dependencies.
Nauna nang umalma ang palasyo sa taguring serial killer umano ang Pangulo ng isang French paper kaugnay ng kampanya na linisin ang Pilipinas mula sa operasyon ng iligal na droga. Paliwanag ni Abella, walang basehan ng report ng naturang pahayagan dahil ang anti-drug campaign ng administrasyon ay alinsunod sa itinatadhana ng batas.
Yeah, I think that's rather unfortunate, no? And for me, it demonstrates a profound lack of understanding of the Philippine situation. Considering the fact that it is a left-leaning paper, I believe they should have been more appreciative of other things that are happening in the Philippines. For example, the peace process in Oslo. They should have been more aware of that and more appreciative rather than focus on these things, and which is not really, which I think is really unfounded. You know, considering the fact that again and again, we have emphasized the fact that police actions in the campaign against illegal drugs, it really assumes a certain amount of regularity. We stay within bounds.
Tiniyak rin ng Malacanang ang pagkilala ni Pangulong Duterte sa mga rekomendasyon para sa pambansang kaayusan. Nagsalita ang palasyo sa harap ng pahayag ni dating Pangulong Fidel Ramos na malaki umano ang nawala sa Pilipinas sa unang 100 araw ng Duterte administration.
Former President Ramos is a senior statesman, and he's acting in the sense of parang in a sense like a father, no? He's not referring to the actual actions. He's referring to the public relations, foreign relations that tend to be affected by the president's language. So in this sense, yes, we listen to him, we respect him, but we'd also like to balance his perspective by the statements.
Paliwanag pa ng palasyo na katuon ang administrasyon sa hangad ng mga Pilipino na tunay na pagbabago.
I think what the public needs is a better appreciation of the president's vision for the nation, which is that we come into our own and truly have an independent mindset, independent spirit, and that we will truly fully embrace our being Filipino.
Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio.